Hi everyone, my name is Luna. As you all know, we are learning English speaking and listening skill. This storytelling practice will surely enhance our speaking and listening skills, and we will be able to compete the world. So listen carefully.
My birthday. Today is my birthday, and I woke up feeling excited. As soon as I opened my eyes, I could hear my family bustling around the house. I jumped out of bed and walked to the kitchen. As I entered the kitchen, I felt sweet smell. I asked my mother, "Mom, what is happening? Is today special day?" "Yes, dear, today is very special day." "Happy birthday." My mom and dad started shouting at me. My little sister Emma was already sitting at the table, grinning from ear to ear. The table was decorated with colorful balloons and a big banner that read, "Happy Birthday." After breakfast, my dad gave me a small box wrapped in shiny paper. As I disclosed it, I found very beautiful bracelet inside. "It's perfect," I exclaimed, hugging my father tightly. The doorbell rang and my friends started to arrive. We played games in the backyard, laughed, enjoyed, and had so much fun. My favorite game was the treasure hunt. Mom had hidden clues all around the yard and we worked together to find the treasure. It turned out to be a big box of chocolates. Later we sat down for lunch. Mom had made all my favorite foods, including spaghetti, chicken curry, and meatballs. After lunch, it was time for the birthday cake. It was a chocolate cake with rainbow sprinkles, and it tasted even better than it looked. Everyone sang happy birthday as I blew out the candles and made a wish. As the day went on, we played more games and opened presents. Emma gave me a drawing she had made just for me. It was a picture of our family, and I loved it so much. My friends gave me books, watches, toys, and even a new video game. As the sun started to go down, my friends began to leave, and I felt a little sad that the day was ending. But then my parents told me they had one last surprise. We all went to the living room where they had set up a projector and a screen. We watched my favorite movie together, snuggled up on the couch with popcorn and blankets. By the end of the night, I was exhausted but incredibly happy. My birthday had been perfect, filled with love, laughter, and special moments. As I lay in bed, I thought about how lucky I was to have such amazing family and friends. I closed my eyes, smiling, and drifted off to sleep, already dreaming about my next birthday.